A generation divided, the consequences of empathy deficiency. In a time where compassion has been cast aside, a generation devoid of empathy stands at the brink of a daunting future. This is the unsettling tale of what may be the end result of a society that no longer feels sorry for its people. As the chasm widens between the haves and the have-nots, a culture of apathy takes hold. The once united fabric of society begins to fray, torn apart by indifference and a lack of concern for one another. The consequences of this empathy deficiency are far-reaching. Forgotten communities are left to struggle, their pleas falling on deaf ears. Vulnerable populations are exploited and denied the care they desperately need. With remorse absent from the collective conscience, meaningful connections erode. The human touch that once bound us together is replaced by isolation and a sense of disconnection. As empathy fades, so too does our capacity to understand and support one another. But in darkness, there is always a flicker of hope. There are those who rise against the tide, determined to rekindle compassion's flame. They strive to bridge the empathy gap, advocating for change and rallying communities to stand together once more. For it is through empathy that societies flourish. It is the foundation upon which social progress is built. When we truly feel sorry for our people, we unlock the potential for a brighter, more compassionate future. So let us not dismiss the power of empathy and the significance of feeling sorry for our fellow human beings. Let us build bridges of understanding, dismantle walls of indifference, and create a generational legacy that champions compassion above all else. Only then can we rewrite the script of our collective destiny and pave the way for a better world, where empathy reigns supreme.